Today, we're uncovering 5 powerful yet overlooked strategies top bloggers use to generate tens of thousands of dollars from their digital products. If you're ready to finally see tangible results, monetize your blog audience, and create steady, reliable income from your passion, you're in the perfect place. I'm Jillian Leslie, host of the Blogger Genius podcast and founder of MiloTree, the simplest platform designed specifically to help bloggers like you sell digital products and quickly grow your audience. Best part, you can start absolutely free at MiloTree.com. So grab your notebook, let's dive in and talk real money. Strategy number 1, offer your audience an instant micro win as your freebie or lead magnet to grow your email list. Bloggers often believe bigger is better, but your readers crave quick, clear results. So small but immediate wins, I call these micro wins, can build trust and significantly boost sales of your larger products. Early in my blogging journey, I spent weeks crafting a detailed SEO ebook that I thought would earn me thousands. But it barely made $100 when I launched it, and I was devastated. So what did I do? I quickly created a simple one-page blog post checklist promising bloggers instant SEO improvements in just 15 minutes. Well, the results shocked me. Within weeks, I grew my email list to over 3,000 subscribers and increased my digital product sales by hundreds of dollars each month. What I learned? Simplicity truly sells. So, action step for you. Create a fast, actionable checklist, cheat sheet, or template to deliver immediate value as your freebie or lead magnet. Then, link it directly to your premium product to turn micro wins into major sales. You can offer a freebie and tripwire your upsell product in MiloTree for free. So definitely after this video, go set that up and start monetizing. Now, strategy 2. Create urgency. Urgency, when it's authentic and clear, it dramatically increases sales. Your audience need a real reason to buy right now. Otherwise, it's too easy to put it off. So for me, my first coaching launch, I was too vague. I said things like buy now, ending soon. And to be honest, my sales were really slow. I only made like $497 after 2 weeks of heavily promoting it. Well, I revamped the offer as a Black Friday special with a firm 48-hour deadline. And the results? $2,000 in sales in just 2 days. So I learned real urgency quadrupled my income overnight, and it can do that for you too. So my action step for you, always give clear deadlines for any special offer, whether it be a discount or a bonus. This clarity boosts immediate action and your earnings. Strategy 3. Streamline your sales process. Every confusing step during checkout risks losing a sale. Simplifying your checkout can instantly increase your revenue. So my action step for you is to use a service like MiloTree because we provide bloggers with intuitive, AI-generated, optimized sales pages that are super clear for your customers, and we offer quick and easy checkout pages that are ready in minutes. Bloggers who streamline their sales process, they typically see at least a 20 to 30% jump in conversions. So again, try MiloTree completely free. See how simple it is to create that selling journey for your customer. Strategy 4. Strategically use testimonials to overcome your audience's doubts. So testimonials directly addressing your readers' hesitations can significantly boost your sales. So for me, a few years ago, a blogging student told me she waited weeks to buy my course because she thought it seemed overwhelming. Well, after she purchased, she completed the entire course in just a weekend. And I featured her testimonial prominently on my sales page. And guess what? Sales increased by over 25%. So bloggers felt confident purchasing my course because their fears were directly addressed. So my action step for you is make sure you are prominently displaying those testimonials that speak to people's concerns, because you can then effortlessly overcome your buyer's hesitation. In MiloTree, on your sales page, we give you big spaces to put those testimonials so you can speak directly to your potential customers. 5, sell to your email list through compelling stories. Powerful, relatable stories in your emails, on social media, dramatically increase reader engagement and drive sales. So an example, share authentic stories like how someone who joined your membership paid off their credit card debt in 6 months. Show those real successes. These stories vividly give readers a tangible view of what their future self will look like, what that transformation will be, and it will inspire them to purchase. So my action step for you: regularly include short, compelling stories demonstrating real, measurable results from your products. And if you've noticed, by the way, throughout this entire video, I've told stories to reinforce what I'm sharing. So let's recap the 5 powerful strategies bloggers can start using right now to dramatically boost their digital product sales. 1, offer your readers an instant micro win as a freebie or lead magnet to grow your email list. 2, create a real sense of urgency so people know to buy now. 3, streamline your entire sales process so it's simple. 4, strategically use testimonials to overcome your audience's doubts. And 5, sell through compelling stories. Now, if you're ready to finally monetize your blog audience, I have the easiest next step for you. Sign up right now for your free MiloTree account at MiloTree.com. It is specifically designed for bloggers just like you to easily sell digital products and grow your audience. Join thousands of other bloggers who are using MiloTree right now to grow their businesses. If you don't have your first micro win freebie, just grab these free AI prompts I've put together at MiloTree.com/freebie prompts, and you'll have your micro win cheat sheet ready in about 10 minutes. Then add it to MiloTree and we'll deliver it to your new email subscribers, and you don't have to worry about that. So do not wait. Click the link below, sign up for MiloTree, and finally start making real money as a blogger. And I am here to support you every step of the way. You have any questions, reach out to me at Jillian@MiloTree.com. See you inside MiloTree, and I will see you right here next week.